So this video will teach you how to make a pull request to upload your files for your final project to the Embedded Systems course repository. So if you haven't already, you're going to go to github.com/ftc9837/embedded systems course, and it'll show this page with the repository. Then, if you haven't already, you'll need to fork the repository to make your own copy. The fork button can be found in the upper right hand corner, and you'll just click your account name. If you already have the repository that you forked, then you'll need to fetch Upstream. So GitHub has added this handy little button, which is pretty useful. So go to your personal fork. Mine is samp93/embedded systems course. Yours will be replaced with your own username, and you should see this banner at the top. Mine is one commit behind the name. I'm going to click fetch Upstream. You can compare it to see what has changed from yours in the main repository. But the main thing you're going to be looking for is the final projects folder, so you can upload your things. So I'm going to click fetch Upstream, and then fetch and merge. So now my branch should now be even with the main fork of the repository, so I should have all the code that has been uploaded to main fork. Alright, so once you have your repository, you can see there's the final projects folder, so we're going to click that. And we're going to add our files. So we're going to upload files and add it to the repository. So you're going to go to your slide presentation, file, download as PDF document. I realize you guys can't see my file system, but download it wherever you want. You should have your name so that it's on the first part of the file name, and you'll see it once I upload documents to the GitHub repository. I've got my schematic, which I made in Fritzing. I'm going to download this as well. I made a folder called Projects in My Documents folder, and just put them there. You can save them wherever you want, as long as you know where they are. If you need to rename your Arduino code, just go open up the Arduino editor and rename your file so that it has your name in the front. If you don't want to use your full name, that's alright. You'll just have to use your first name or some identifier so that we know whose project it is. Alright, so once you have all your files, you're going to drag all of them into your repository in the final projects folder. So it's my code, it's my slides, and that's my schematic. And I'll just call this final project for my commit. And I'll commit that to my repository. So all of these commits will be in your own fork of the repository, and you'll see in your final projects folder, there should be 3 things with your names plus the final project template. Alright, so we're going to go back, and now we're going to make the pull request. So go to the header repository, which is the FGC9837 one, and we're going to make a pull request under the pull request tab. And then we're going to make a new pull request. So we need to compare across forks because we have our own fork to the repository. So click this button here with this blue highlighted text. We're going to change the head repository to our repo. You can see that there are a couple other ones, but choose yours. And then we'll do compare main. So it should say able to merge. These branches should be able to automatically merge. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the changes that you want to add. So 1 commit and 3 files changed. So I'll make that pull request. I'm going to put my name in the pull request. And you can leave a comment if you'd like. Then, once this is all ready, and you've labeled your pull request, you're going to create pull request. We'll check it out one more time. And I'm not sure if you guys will have this merge pull request button, but we won't merge it yet. So you can just leave the pull request. And so then you go back to Embedded Systems course. And if you look under the pull request tab, you should see your pull request. And maybe other people's who have put theirs in at some point. After a bit, one of the admins will merge your pull request in, so it'll look like so in the final projects folder. So all your code and project materials should show up where everyone would be able to access it in the main repository. And that's all. Feel free to reach out to us at ccagirlswhocode@gmail.com for any questions, comments. You can also reach us through Discord.